Alright, okay guys. So today I'm gonna make a Jamaican coconut cake. Alright, if you wanna see how I get here, I got the coconut trash over here, the coconut milk. I'm gonna add that in here. I have a little bit of coconut milk, and that's some ingredients: nutmeg, coconut trash, creation milk, vanilla, and essence spice, almond essence spice, and or you can buy this one as well. And I'm gonna add some coconut butter. This is some coconut butter right here. I'm gonna add 2 cups of sugar, and I'm gonna also add 2 cups of flour. So guys, you're gonna make all those ingredients, see, mix them together, and that's how we're gonna make a coconut cake. All right guys. Yes guys, and we're gonna also add 2 teaspoons of baking powder as well. Okay, so remember all the ingredients: see, almond spice, vanilla, creation milk, probably half cup of creation milk, coconut trash, along with the coconut, natural coconut guys, and the coconut butter right here, and add half nutmeg as well. All right, here we go now guys. We're not gonna add no eggs to this guys. Okay, all right, okay, so here I put everything together in my baking tin. I butter my baking tin even though it's a non-stick. Don't mind the background sound because I have the pressure cooker running. I'm making my stew piece, the chicken foot as well. That's another video. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna throw the butter inside my baking tin, and as you can see, I preheated the oven already. So I'm gonna put this in the pan and let it cook for probably an hour and a half at 360 to 350. So as you can see, that's it guys. I'm gonna put it into the oven right now and let it sit for an hour and a half. Okay, so I'm gonna drop it into the oven. That's preheated already. That's got looking lovely. That's it. Sit right in the middle. Now I'm gonna let it cook at 350, 400, and then each time I just turn it back to 350. Yes guys, look at the toto. Yes guys, look at the coconut cake. Yeah, in Jamaica we call it toto. Yeah man, looking lovely, looking lovely. See at that? All done, looking nice, brown, looking good. Look at the coconut cake. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share guys.